Good morning, children. Children, in the previous class you learned about transformation. The basic transformations are reflection, rotation and translation. A reflection is a mirror image of the shape. An image will reflect through a line known as the line of reflection or mirror line. A figure is said to be a reflection of the other figure. Then every point in a figure is at equidistant from each corresponding point in another figure. Okay. The reflected image should have the same shape and size, but the image faces in the opposite direction. Now we are going to draw the reflection of the given shape. This is a given shape. Draw a reflection of this shape in the mirror line. Okay. This is the object and this is the image. Children, take one corner of the shape at a time and plot its reflection in the mirror line. First you count the number of squares from the mirror line, from each corner. Okay, here 1, this is our object, this is the mirror line. Count the number of squares, 1, 2, 3 units, 1 unit. Okay, I'll explain you once again. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, so this is the mirror line. So the image will come here. So you should take the distance from the mirror line, 1 unit below the mirror line, 1. Then here from here 1, 2. Then from here 1, 2, 3. Then from here 1. Okay. If you join these points, you will get the image of the given object. Okay. Let me explain few examples, children. In this figure, this is the object. Okay, object. This is the mirror line. Mirror line. First you count the number of squares. Each square is equal to 1 centimeter. So from the mirror line to this corner 1 centimeter, that is 1 unit. 1 unit. 1, 2, 3. 3 units. And 1, 2, 3. 3 units. Okay. So from here our object is on the left side of the mirror line. So image should be on the right side. So from here you count the distance, 1. Okay. Here also 1, 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. Then you will get these 4 corners. Then use a ruler to join the reflected points with straight lines to produce the image. Okay. Children, a figure is said to be a reflection of the other figure. Then every point in a figure is at equidistant from each corresponding point in another figure. Mirror line എല്ലാ കോർണറിലേക്കുമുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് സെയിം ആയിരിക്കണം. Okay. That is from the mirror line to the object. The distance between the mirror line and the object is equal to the distance between the mirror line and the image. This point is very important. And the image faces in the opposite direction also. Okay. Children, here in this figure, we have to find which drawings show a correct reflection of triangle A. Which drawings show a correct reflection of triangle A? As I told you, every point in a figure is at equidistant from each corresponding point of the object. Okay, so let us check. This is the object. This is object and this is the image. Check the distance from the mirror line. 1. And here it is 1, 2. So it is wrong. It is not the reflection of A. Okay. Next. Here, first we have to find the distance. Start from this corner. They are meeting at a point. Then check the distance. 1, 1, 2. 2 units. Here also 1. Sorry children. 1, 2. 2 units. Here also 1, 1, 2. 2 units. Okay. Then here 1, 1. Same distance. Here this corner meeting here. So this is the mirror image. Okay, reflection. The next question. Start from here. From here, 1 unit, 1 unit, equidistant. Here, 1 unit, 2 units, 1 unit, 2 units, equidistant. Here, 1 unit, 2 units, 1 unit, 2 units. So each corner is equidistant from the mirror line. So this is the reflected image. Okay. Next, check this figure. Here this corner is touching here, that is on the mirror line, but this corner is 1 unit from the mirror line. Okay. So it is not the reflected image. Check one more point also. This point is 1 unit from the image, but this point is on the mirror line. So it is not the reflected image. Okay. So children, here figure B and C, figure B and C are the correct reflection of triangle A. Okay. Children, here we have to reflect the shape in the mirror line. Okay. This is the object. We have to find the image. Okay, as I told you, you should find the distance of each corner first. Here these 2 points are on the mirror line. Okay, then find the next point. So check the distance 1, 2. So from here 1, 2. Okay. Then 1. Here also 1. Then from here 1 to the left side and 1 to the right side. Then 1, 2. So from here 1, 2. Okay. So the points are 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Join these points. Okay. Then you will get the reflection of the given shape. Let me explain few examples. In this figure, this is the object. Okay. It is given. First you check the distance. 1 unit. So here 1 unit. 1 unit. Okay. Then this point 1, 2. 2 units. 1, 2. 2 units. And this point 1, 2. 2 units. So 1, 2. 2 units. Okay. Then draw a line of length 2 units. 1, 2. Which is 1 centimeter away from the mirror line. Each unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Now use a ruler to join the reflected points. 1, 2, 3, 4 and draw a straight line. Then you will get the reflection of the given object. Okay. Here children, in this shape, here the mirror line is a diagonal. Diagonal means a line which joins the opposite corners. This is the mirror line. Okay. We have to find the image. Draw the image. So first find the distance. This is diagonally 1 unit, 1 unit. Okay. Here it is half of a diagonal, half of a diagonal. So you should mark like this. Half, half. Then find this point. 1, 2. So 1, 2. Now join this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Draw straight lines using your ruler. Then you will get the reflection of this object. Okay. So children, here the mirror line is a diagonal. Diagonal means a line which joins the opposite corners. Opposite corners in a join ചെയ്ത കിട്ടുന്ന ലൈനാണ് diagonal. Okay. In this figure also the mirror line is a diagonal. This is a mirror line. Then first find the distance. Here this point is on the mirror line and this is 1 unit. Okay. Then this point will come here and this is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 3 units. from here 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, then this is from here 1 unit, 1 unit. Now you join these points using your ruler. Use pencil, children. Similarly, you can do question number C and D. That is homework for you. Okay. Children, here in this question, reflect the shape in the mirror line with the given equation. Given equation. Here the mirror line is given, that is x is equal to 3. That is a mirror line. X is equal to 3. So first we have to draw a line. This line is x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Okay. Now we have to find the reflected shape. Okay. So find the distance. Here this is 1, 2. So 1, 2. This point, and this is on the mirror line, and from here 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. This point, and this is 1, 2. So 1, 2. Okay, and this point is on the mirror line. Now we have to join these points. Then you will get the reflected shape, that is image. Okay. Now children, our next question is the mirror line y is equal to 4. So first we have to draw a line. This is, as you already learned how to draw the graph of the given equations. This is y is equal to 4. Y ile 4 ന്റെ നേരെ ഒരു ലൈൻ വരയ്ക്കുക. That is the mirror line. Okay, and this is the object. This is the object. So first find the distance. This point is on the mirror image, and this is from here 1, 1, 2. So from here 1, 2. Okay, then this is 1 unit. So 1 unit. Now join this 1, 2, 3. This is the image. Okay, so here children, we have to reflect the shape in the mirror line with the given equation. The given equation is mirror line y is equal to 4. So we have to draw a line, mirror line first. Y is equal to 4 means you should draw a line through y. That is point. Y is equal to 4. You already learned how to draw the lines of the given equations. Y ile 4 il kude ഒരു ലൈൻ വരയ്ക്കുക. Okay, that is a horizontal line. Y is equal to 4 means it is a horizontal line. That is our mirror line. Then find the distance of each corner. So first draw the mirror line, that is y is equal to 4 on the grid. Then take y is equal to 4 on the grid. Okay. Take each corner of the shape and plot its reflection in the mirror line. Each corner, mark each corner, this point touching here, and this is 1, 2, 2 units. So 1, 2, and this is 1 unit and this is 1 unit. Then use a ruler to join the reflected points with straight line to produce the image. Join these points, then you will get the image. Okay. Children, in this question, draw the correct mirror line for each reflection. Draw the correct mirror line. Okay. So children, here this is the object, this is the object, this is the image. Okay. Then we know that a figure is said to be a reflection of the other figure. Then every point in a figure is at equidistant. Isn't it? Mirror line എന്ന എല്ലാ പോയിൻറ്റ്സും equidistant ആയിരിക്കും. Equidistance means equal distance. So the mirror line will come here. This is the mirror line. Then you check 1 distance. This is a mirror line. 1 unit. Equidistant. This is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 3 units. And this is 1 unit. So each corner of the object and mirror are equidistant from the mirror line. Okay. So this is the mirror line. Similarly, you can find the mirror line of question B and C. Children, you can do this work in your textbook itself. Okay. Don't copy this in your graph book. You can do this in your textbook itself. Use your pencil for drawing the image. Okay. Children, listen this video carefully and do the given work without any mistakes. Do it in the textbook itself. Use pencil. Do it neatly. Hope you all understood this. Thank you, children.